In this video, we are going to see static structural analysis of bike frame in ANSYS Workbench. So here we are taking example of bike frame. The material used is aluminum alloy. The boundary condition, pressure on saddle side of 25 megapascal and fixed support on other places. We are going to calculate stress, deformation and force reaction and movement reaction on the body. So here we are going to select static structural. We'll go to engineering data to add a material in the list. For that, we'll go to material library, general materials, and we'll add aluminum alloy. We'll click on the plus icon. So here material is added. Now we can close this. Now we are going to import the model. Right click here and go to browse. We'll select the model, open. To view the model, we can open that geometry. So here we can view our model. This is our bike frame. Now we want to close space claim. For that, we'll go to file and exit space claim. Now we want to enter the mechanical window. For that, we'll double click on the model. So here model window is loaded. So model will take little time to load. So here model loaded successfully. Now we are going to specify the details. So first of all, we'll see the geometry. Here we can see this is a surface model. So here I'm going to specify some thickness of 2 mm to this part. After specify thickness, we'll just change the material. We'll take the material aluminum alloy. Now we're going to mesh our model. We'll generate a mesh. So mesh generated successfully. Now we are going to define the boundary condition. So we have pressure on the saddle part. We'll define the pressure at this face. Apply 20 megapascal. Now we are going to define fixed support other places. Fixed support at this face. Apply, and we have fixed support in other places. We'll define one by one. So here we have fixed support on this area. Apply one more fixed support. Apply, and the front side fixed support. Apply, and last at this face. Apply. Now we are going to define the solution part. So here I'm going to see the total deformation and the von Mises stresses. Solve. Now we can see the total deformation over the part. So here you can increase the scale to view the result. Now we can see the stresses. Now I want to see, due to that fixed support that I applied, what is the reaction on that area. So we can select all that fixed support and drag into the solution and solve. We can check the force reaction over that fixed supports. So we can see at that area what is the reaction of the force. Same way we can check for all that places. So by clicking, you can just check all the places what is the reaction of the force. Here you can see the maximum and minimum results values, and each reactions of the force we can check that minimum and maximum value of that force. Now I want to calculate the moment reaction for all that forces you can add. So we'll go to prop and we'll take moment reaction. Due to which support you want to see, you can add that. Like that you can add for all that supports and you can calculate. So I'm quickly going to add it one by one. solve. So you can check the moment reaction for all that, and we can have a value of all that forces moment reaction. For each fixed support we can check. So in this example we have seen how we can calculate total deformation, equivalent stresses and force and moment reaction on the body.